everyone, Julianne here, bringing you another Trinity product close-up for the June 2020 second birthday celebration release. This is the Slimline layered balloons, a 6x9 laser cut 2-piece stencil set. This stencil set is perfect for doing any kind of ink blending or many other techniques that will add balloons that will completely cover your Slimline cards. But don't worry, you can definitely use this stencil set for any other card sizes as well. So I'm just going to be showing you here what this stencil set looks like. You can definitely see it's very large compared to other stencils you may have in your craft room. You do get a total of 2 stencils in this set, as I mentioned before, and each one of them have etched lines in them that hopefully you can see here, which make it super easy to line up both of those stencils to create that layered balloons effect throughout your card. In this stencil set, you are also going to get a total of 8 balloon masks, and that way you can mask off your balloons as you're doing your ink blending or any other techniques that you choose to do. Like I mentioned before, this stencil set will completely cover your entire Slimline background, but of course you can use it for other card sizes as well. This stencil set is designed to be used to fit your Slimline card in landscape, but you can definitely use it in portrait, which is what I'm going to be showing you here today. Here I've used the Slimline Series scalloped card panels and banners die set to die cut out a piece of Bristol Smooth watercolor paper so that I can do some ink blending. I'm going to start off by lining up my stencil at the top, and I'm going to be temporarily adhering that down using some purple tape. And I'm going to start off by ink blending some Twisted Citron for that first balloon. And once I'm happy with my color, I'm then going to remove that stencil and replace it with the second stencil in the set. And I'm going to be using some cracked pistachio. I didn't need to use the masks that come in this stencil set for my first balloon, but I am going to show you here how easily it is to adhere directly over your balloon. But since my colors ink blended well together, I didn't need it. But let's say for your card you do your first balloon in red, and then you want your second balloon in green, and since those colors don't really mix well together, the mask will be perfect for that. Once I have ink blended a few balloons, you can definitely start to see just how easy this stencil set is to use. Since there are etched lines on both stencils, you can start with either one for your cards, or maybe you just want to use one. Either way will work great. You can definitely use this stencil set to make some really nice celebration backgrounds for, of course, all those birthday cards. But you could also do some congratulation cards, maybe for all those graduates out there, or do even a red and blue theme for the 4th of July. Using this stencil set, I have created quite a few cards, including this one, where I created a multicolor background for this A2 size card, as well as added some splatter to that background before popping my image up using some foam adhesive. I have also created both of these Slimline birthday themed cards to ink blend a bunch of balloons at the top of each of my panels in a variety of different colors. Here is some even more great inspiration from the rest of the design team using the brand new Slimline Layers balloon stencil set. Make sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog as well as their Instagram and our Facebook group for even more inspiration as well. And make sure you click that like and subscribe button down below for further design team inspiration. And I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting!